Goddess, you are the moment, not a shadow of what they wanted you to be, not a reflection of someone else's story, not a copy, not a compromise, not a maybe. You are the embodiment of everything they thought you couldn't be. You are the embodiment of the power they doubted, the standards they couldn't match, the clarity they tried to cloud. But every cell in your body remembers that you are Goddess in human form. Therefore, every choice you make from here on out should be proof of it. So stop keeping yourself small. Stop apologizing for who you are, how you choose to show up in your life. Stop waiting for permission or validation to pop your shit. Because you're here to reclaim your clarity, your power, your divinity, and your entire reality is ready for you because you are, since you are the moment. So, override every old narrative that tried to contain you. Rise in your highest divine truth, as your highest divine self, and make sure you do so unapologetically and without compromise.